Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I am sick as a pickle. I've just been sick the entire month of December. Is there anybody out there that is as sick as me? I'm just tired of being sick. I'm tired. I've been sick every single day. Sick. I'm done. But anyway, I work every day and I do everything just as normal. And this is just like an unwind with me video because today's the best I feel in probably 2 weeks. Today's the best I have feel. So unwind with me and let's get a good night rest, hopefully. Tomorrow is a long day. Tomorrow, my son has his first Christmas thingy. You know, that's cool Christmas thing. My son has that, so I'm excited for him. It's going to be like 30 minutes long, so I'm excited to go support him. So unwind with me, try to prep to get ready for it so that tomorrow it's not too crazy. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, come with me. So as I tell you, I'm sick. So first thing first, I'm gonna pop one of these bad boys in because let me make sure I'm recording. I think I am. Hopefully I am. Pop one of these bad boys in because they're keeping I think I have abs, by the way. Whew, I've coughed so much. Right here is hurting me. Here is hurting me. And my back is hurting me. Like, my coughing is just horrendous. But I have a sew-in. So I'm going to just, like, try to, like, comb it down. Find my part. I need to get it flat ironed. Like, if you watch my sister, what was it? She made a video the other day. If you watch that video, I'm going to put it right here. She has a sew-in too. Her hair is more natural than mine. And her hair is more grown out than mine. But yeah. So what I'm going to do is like flat iron mine. So mine should come back more than hers. I'm going to flat iron mine tomorrow, not tonight. But what I want to do is make sure that it's brushed out. Typically, I plait it, but I'm going to just like twist it tonight. So look at that. It's going through nice for someone that doesn't take care of their hair. Every day she's on me like, oh my gosh, shut up. Like, I don't go nowhere. Am I the only one? Like, I know I made a video, which hopefully I can find it and put it right there too, about like me just trying to put more effort my day to day because since I became a wife, I just like felt like I didn't need to do much anymore, which isn't fair to my husband. Like, he married like someone that he was attracted, not saying that he's not attracted, he's still attracted, but he married like a different version of me. And then, you know, along with growth, you know, growth and things come, but it doesn't mean that I should like stop putting effort. So I said that I would still put effort in myself, and I've been trying, but still, I'm still a bonnet wearing girl. So I'll still wear my bonnet if I'm not going anywhere, cause you know, like, you also want, if you're going somewhere, like, you don't look the same in home that you look outside. Like, you want when you like go out, they can see a difference. Or if you're that person that you can manage to keep up appearance so you look good 24/7 all the time. If that's you, then kudos. But that's not me. I don't have the money. But yeah, I'll try. So I'm doing better. So I'll just like make sure my hair is like not knotted, because I'm hoping to have this sewing last me for a while. So yeah, so I'm just like brushing it out, and I'm twisting it, hopefully the twist can give me some like bouncy curls. So I'm going to twist, and after the twist, I'm just going to like probably like put it up into my clip. I'm tired. I'm just tired of being sick. That's my tired. I don't know if y'all have Christmas shop yet, but I'm gonna make a video too for all the last minute Christmas shoppers like myself, and let you know some gifts that you can still buy. So I got that done, and I'm proud of myself. Like that was like my major accomplishment. I'm like, I need to get stuff. And this year I didn't went all out with Christmas shopping, just because we have things planned for early next year, so we don't want to spend money that we don't have. So yeah, this is my last twist, and I can't twist, so don't judge my twist. I'm probably done everything in my family. Like I can do everything, but at the most basic level, like at a survival mode, basically. Oh my God. Rock, 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 rock. Oh. Sometimes I just like do weird stuff. I don't know why. It's just so weird. All right. So I got that done. So now what I want to do is put in my earrings. I used to not like to put my earrings in the night, because I used to feel so uncomfortable sleeping, but now I actually don't mind it. So I'll clean my ears, and I like to put some alcohol on like the tip of the earring itself, because you know sometimes you actually don't get into the hole, so you can do like alcohol or peroxide. That's what I use. You don't actually get into the hole. I use like one of those like white cleaning thing. I was looking for it. I don't have anymore, so I didn't get to do it. And then you're going to like just put your earring in after you got it dab with the alcohol, so like that goes through the hole, you know what I mean? So yeah, you got that from me. Oh, hey. Tired. Can you tell I'm tired and I'm sick? Sick of being tired. Help. And yes, I've been doing all the remedies. I'm from Jamaica, so I do all my little country remedies already, but nothing is working. But what have been a saver for me is NyQuil when I used to be sick. And I tried to do it this time around, and it wasn't working as well. Give me 1 second. Yeah, the NyQuil wasn't working as well this time around. Typically, when I feel like the sickness coming on, I take my NyQuil, DayQuil, and it kicks it out like within 2 days. This time, my body was like, nope, not today, NyQuil. So yeah, it got the worst on me. And then I'm going to do the same for the top. I hear my sister. She's probably trying to sneak to go get something. Look, I put gold in. I haven't really wore gold earrings in a while. I always have like the pearly looking ones because I feel like they always like, I can wear it with anything. Like if I want to put on a gold necklace or if I want to put on a silver necklace, I have the option. But I have golden because I'm thinking whatever I'm wearing tomorrow, I'm gonna match it with gold because I haven't worn gold in a while. It's always been silver. Probably because I have to match my ring. Where's my ring? Shaky. My ring is right there. I had to take it out because I had to like do Jaden hair tonight. Because he had the thing tomorrow. I had to do his hair and all of that good stuff. So I had to take it off. Yeah, I didn't want it to like sink this because I am losing weight again because I'm a sickness too. So my ring, when I was washing the hair, it was like loose and already like dangling. But yeah. What's next, guys? What's next? So I did this, and I'm going to just like pin it up with a pin clip and put by my bonnet. But since I'm doing the video, I can't put on a bonnet yet. You know, you feel me? You feel me? You feel me? I can't put on a bonnet yet. I don't know. I just feel like talking to you guys tonight. I don't do, like, typically when I talk, it's just like, I don't know. I just feel like talking. I wish I could. One of these days, I'm going to go live. So comment below if you're watching this far. Comment below, like, if you would want us to go live and just have a chat. Because I'm down. Like, I want to talk. Girl, people, I work at home. And my sister, she talks, and she talks a lot, but when she wants to talk. Like, she'll go to sleep at 1 a.m., 2 a.m. in the morning and not wake up until, like, this morning it was, like, today it was, like, 2:30. I had to go and physically say, hey, are you alive? Because she wakes up so late. So, and by the time she wakes up, I'm working. And by the time I'm finished working, I'm ready for bed. But she's just waking up and ready for her day. So yeah, she talks a lot, but at inconvenient time. Tyler works all day. Jaden, he plays and do all his stuff, and I mostly like yell at him, so I'm not really talking. So yeah. And then my friends, I typically call them if I'm driving, but I'm not driving anymore. So it's like, I call them and we're like, oh, okay, what now? But yeah, and then I've been sick, so I haven't really been talking a lot because sometimes every now and then I'll like call my friends and just like say, hey, you know, just random conversation, especially on the weekends. But I didn't get to do that this weekend because again, I was sick. Who knows I talk this much? Nobody, but I do. I talk this much. I'm cray. It's probably the flu. It's probably the flu. I promise you. It's probably the flu. I promise you. Anyways. This is probably going to be, what they call it? Too much TMI? Too much information? Probably. That's what they call it. But yeah. I'm a girlie that have like hair, facial hair. I don't want this. I never asked for it, but I'm gonna get rid of it regardless. Like, that's something I don't like. I don't like facial hair. Not saying that, you know, people have their, let me stop it because, you know, it's so weird. But anyway, people have their, like, I don't know. I have something that made me have facial hair. And it happens to a lot of people, you know, but I personally, as a personal thing for me, personally, because I don't want anyone to be offended. Like, if you have it short, that's your choice. You know, that's your choice. But for me, I just don't like it. So I'm going to get rid of it as much as I can. Ooh, wrong side. And this Flawless works like a gem. The only thing is that I hate that I have to do it so much. Like, I feel like I have to do it at least once every week. But I'm lazy and I don't go out a lot. I'm at home, so I probably do mine every 2 weeks or when I'm going out. Oh, yeah. And that's it, guys. I am going to so I'm just going to do my facial cleanser now and then call it a night, because now I'm just going to like go shower. I was supposed to go to the gym. Every time Tyler is like, let's go to the gym, and then I go upstairs and find him sleeping, and he's like, let's he's going to like urge me up, because I always do like a voice for him. He'll be like, we're gonna do this instead. Alright. So anyways, that's it, folks. I'm just going to, I was just supposed to just like give you guys a full-blown night down. I'll do that tomorrow then, because I end up just like talking, and who wants a 20-minute video? I don't. So yeah, I'm going to just end it right here, and just, this is just like a chat with me while I prep for bed. And I hope you guys enjoy my little chit chat, venting, whatever, everything all in one. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please hit that like button, hit that bell, please, for more of this. Because yeah, you guys been seeing we're posting every day so far, and I don't want to jinx us, knock on wood. It's been really hard, but we've been managed to push a video, whether it be simple or something nice or something fun. We've been pushing some content for you guys every day this month, which is what we wanted, because you want the algorithm to say, hey, we're here, see us at some point. But then come January, we'll go back on our normal routine, but hopefully the algorithm can pick us up soon and say, hey, we're here. But anyways, good night, guys, and thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in another video. Bye.